Hey everyone, PTB Spotter back again, and now we're at Glasgow Central. We're going to be seeing services from ScotRail and the Vanty West Coast. So yeah, let's get back into the video. The point out now is 318256 from Glasgow Central to Glasgow Central. Hold on, I need to find out what. Oh, it was the 1315. Yeah, the 1315. The part out now is a ScotRail service to Edinburgh, Waverley. Three 385046. On the 1317 service. Departing out now is the 1318 ScotRail service starting here at Glasgow Central going to East Kilbride. 156442 and 156 513. Departing out now is the 1320 ScotRail service from starting here at Glasgow Central to Lanark. 32303 is all I know. And arriving in now is the 1321 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from Paisley Canal. And it is... No, it's not Paisley Canal. This is actually terminating from Glasgow Central, which is 318266. Arriving in now is the 1326 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from Edinburgh Waverley. Three 85039. Departing out there was the 1327 ScotRail service starting here at Glasgow Central to Kilmarnock. And it was 156445 and 156506. Arriving in now is the 1331 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from East Kilbride. Oh, arriving in over there is the 1331 ScotRail service terminating here from Neilston. 156,505. On the rear. From East Kilbride. Departing out now is the 1336 Avanti West Coast service starting here at Glasgow Central to London Euston. And it is 390,045. Departing out now is the 1347 ScotRail service from starting here at Glasgow Central to Wemyss. $380,016.
There we go.
Arriving in now is the 1351 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from Paisley Canal. Is 385,002 at 380,002. So that is 380,002. On the 1351 ScotRail service from Glasgow Central to Glasgow Central. Arriving in now is the 1356 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from Ayr, and it's 380,014. And 380,102. Oh, there's a train race. There's another one over there going in at the same time.
It's a train race.
And that one there I just saw was the 1358 Scott. There's another 1358 ScotRail service from Neilston terminating, which was 380,116 that I just saw as a race. Arriving in now is the 1358 ScotRail service terminating here at Glasgow Central from Wemsbay. 380-109. Departing out now is the 1400 ScotRail service starting here at Glasgow Central to Ayr. .007 and 380-010. Arriving in now is the 1417 ScotRail service from Larkhall to Dalmuir. 318270. I will get the rear when it departs. Driving in now is the 1415 ScotRail service from Dalmuir to Larkhall. 320-301. The 320-301. Departing out now is the 1415 ScotRail service from Dalmuir to Larkhall. And departing out at the same time is the 1417 ScotRail service from Larkhall to Dalmuir. The rear is 318258. And that will be our final train of the video. So if you've enjoyed it, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.